Bicol Sara Party List Representative Terry Redon believes the alleged harassment by Leyte Representative Richard Gomez against a sports official is unlikely to lead to expulsion. On BNC's Politico Nightly, Redon said that while Gomez's acts could support a complaint, the heaviest penalty may only be suspension. Redon adds it's best to wait for the official complaint, but he's certain the issue will reach the House, especially since Gomez's actions were humiliating to the chamber.
Basta merong complaint, talagang duty bound po yung mga komite na dinggin eh. Yung pong mga complaint na ito. So hindi ho material kung galing ka sa malaking partido, galing ka sa maliit na partido. Kasi ang mananaig naman po dyan, yung facts po ng kaso kung may batayan ba talagang magdisiplina ang Kongreso sa kanila pong mga miyembro. Siyempre, meron pang mga, ano din naman yan, mediation proceedings no, sa pagitan ng mga partido. So, hindi naman agad yan na full proceedings. So, pagbibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapag-usap sila ng mahinahon at I guess mag-ayos no, dito sa kanila pong problema.
Redon also stressed that Gomez's behavior was inappropriate for a congressman, even as Gomez stood firm against bullying Filipino athletes.